Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today we are going to learn web services. What is web services? What are all the different types of web services available? So we are going to learn web services concept in simple terms and with the help of an example. So let's get started. So web services, basically web services is used to communicate between two different applications in the form of request and response. So web services are XML or JSON based information exchange system that use internet for direct application to application interaction. So there are different types of markup languages. So we will get request and response in the form of different type of markup languages. They are mainly XML and JSON, and also we have WSDL, WSFL, WSCL markup languages as well. Like those are web service description language, web service flow language, something like that only. But mainly we'll get response as either XML format or JSON format. So let's get started. Let us see a practical example. So let us go to website like Make My Trip or flight booking website, Paytm or Google Pay or Phone Pay, something like that. So let's try to book a flight ticket now. So let me open Google Chrome and then I'll search for flight booking sites. Let me type flight booking websites, and here we can see different websites are available like Go Indigo, Make My Trip, and Go IBBO, IXGIO, something like that. So let me choose easy My Trip. Go. Let me choose any one of the website. Let me select the Clear Trip, and I'm booking a flight from, let's say, uh, Mumbai, Mumbai to Vijayawada, and let me select the date. Let me click on search flights. It is searching flights between Mumbai and Vijayawada. Here we can see all the flight information and the details within few seconds. So let us try to understand how this Clear Trip website is going to display all the flight information, and how it is going to communicate with the different flights. Actually, here if you can see Air India, Indigo, Air India. So these are all the different flight information we can see over here with the prices and all. So let us understand how this Clear Trip website is going to extract these details. Let me go to PPT. So Make My Trip or Clear Trip website is supposed to interact with the different airways web services. So to display the flight information, the Clear Trip site should have database access to the flight websites, something like Go, Air India, Indigo, Jet, something like that. But no airways websites allows a third party person or website to access their own database due to the security issues. So all web services has provided web service. Okay. So all airways websites provides a web service. So ClearTrip is going to use or consume the web services of our airways to get a response or flight detail information. This is how they are going to communicate by using web services. Okay, even Paytm, Google Pay, Make My Trip, Clear Trip, all these websites are going to consume the web services in the form of request and response. So Make My Trip or Clear Trip is going to request the details, and they they'll get a response from the uh, another website, like what are all the requests he has requested. Those details he'll get a response in the form of XML or JSON. So I hope you like this video. That's all for today, guys. And in the next session, we are going to learn how to consume these web services, and how to call the web services in automation anywhere A360 or Python code or Excel macro code. We are going to learn all these things in the next coming session. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Then you'll be notified every time when I upload a new series or videos on web services or other RPA technologies. So yep, if you have any queries and concerns, please drop me a message in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.